In this video, I'll show you how we can add images in Bolt.new. So it's really simple. All you need to do is open your project. So I'm going to open this crypto dashboard. And once the project opens, what you need to do is go to bottom left corner and click on this plus icon. Then choose attach file. And from here, you need to choose your image from your computer. So let's say I'm going to choose this coin, and now what you can do is, let's say, click on this select button, and from here choose, let's say I'm going to choose this logo and I want to replace this logo with this coin. So what you can do is select it and then type to Bolt something like replace that image by upload that image. Now press enter, and now it should replace this image by this coin image. And now, as you can see, this is how you can upload your image on Bolt.new. So that's all. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.